There goes the car getting washed. Hand wash, guys. Gotta be ready for the meet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my underglows. I don't know who else has them, but I'm gonna go turn mine on because it's gonna get a little dark and get the show for you guys. All right, that's me right there, blacked out. And then my boy Hash is here. Yes. Oh, he's gonna show us his bags. This never gets old. Nice. Make it go up. No, no. Yo, Ash. Tell him make it go up and then down. That was like very small. Go stock height. I love this. This is coming when I get a 2.0. Close the door, close the door.
Close the door. Close the door.
He got music. Yes. Yep.
Put your finger under there.
My finger don't go there. Look, look, look.
That should cut your finger off.
Yo, it won't go in. It's literally super low, man. What's up, bro? I was like, Ash is sleeping, man.
Oh, bro, I was outside with one of my boys. I didn't know it was today.
Yo, look at the back, bro. What the heck? That's awesome.
Oh, the tips, bro.
Yeah. That is sick. Guys, that's the Yofer side skirts right there. If you want them, you get it from Airwork Sports. Use code RLM5, get a nice discount. These are crazy. I just installed them for my friend actually. It's my boy Juice right there. I got the juice. That's cute. And then we got here khicee, of course. You guys know him well with me, of course. That's me. I'm gonna be changing to my tail lights, guys. It's about time. Give me a week or two, change that to a V3's reflectors. And what do you guys think I should get? Akasaka diffuser or T10 diffuser? Let me know, comment below. He showed up. He's new subscriber showed up. And right here, the Yofer side skirts I had installed for my boy yesterday. I'll put the link in the description below for it as well. Check out this diffuser if you guys like it. Alright, V3s, of course. Look at this one. Smash the like button, guys. Subscribe. Of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and enable all notifications to be notified on upcoming videos. And of course, there's more people showing up right now, but that's what I got for now. And then check that out. My banner's right there. That's lit. That's awesome. 2021 right here too. Yeah. That's awesome, guys.
It's a YouTube channel.
It's RedLineMods.
Huh?
RedLineMods.
How much
Like 13,000. Yeah, this is funny. Kids come in the park. They always come to the car meet. Check it out. They're here. 2021 black right there. Got the white one. Red 2021 2.0. It's me right there. Showed up after a long drive. Oh, he's trying to get his music on too. That's awesome. Hey, what's up, Juice? Thanks for coming, bro. I appreciate you.
No problem. I got you.
Yeah, I love it, man. I finally see you in person. I'm like, yo, he's always doing pull-ups and push-ups. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
That was me too, man. But then... yo, Kice is revving it for you guys. That's good enough. Imagine you had a Borla, bro, catback.
Come on, bro.
You're gonna get those. You were gonna get those pops.
Borla?
With the Borla catback, it has pops.
It's gonna be loud, bro.
Yeah, that's awesome. Engine tuned, of course. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. No, I like that. How's the intake? How's the intake? Is good?
Who makes the catch can? Purell?
Oh, she's doing it now. Oh, she got you, bro.
That's the $50.
Oh, that's loud.
Where's the engine?
It's engine, bro. Ooh.
All right.
What do you got, Juice?
I got nothing. I'm still stopped.
Nah, bro.
I'm still stopped. I'm gonna keep close.
That's awesome. Guys, check this out. He's got a DC Sport exhaust.
Yeah, I like how this one sounds.
Another one. Yo, is it in sport mode? No. No, put it in sport mode, then rev it. It's like, I feel like if you put a catalyst downpipe or a cattic downpipe, it's gonna be a lot louder.
Now I would do mine like this. I like the way this one sounds.
It's got bass to it, right?
Yeah.
It's got like a bass sound to it.
It's not too loud. It's nice. I do
He's
mine.
revving over there. That's awesome. Check it out, guys. I got my Underglows. Chasing Underglows. They have over 200 different, you know, animations you can have. There you go. Make it a bit darker. Got it on the chasing ones right now. Pretty dope. I might have a video coming on, and honestly, an installation video for it. If you want some, I'll put the link in the description below. But you guys love that Accord from the last time. He's right there, guys. Let's show you real quick. Walking and walking out. Look at this thing. gonna be nice. All right, guys, that's it for the car meet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I appreciate the support. Until next time, peace out. Make sure you hit the bell icon, put on all notifications so you're notified on upcoming stunning content. Get inside the car real quick. Yeah, got him inside too. See? I'm also gonna be posting a video on. I'm also gonna be posting a video on installation of that on the door as well, and I'll put the link in the description where you can get them. I would consider not buying it from One Up Lighting because you're only gonna get only 4 projectors. You need 6 because you're gonna need it on passenger side as well. One for that side, one for this side, which I can provide to you. And I'll put that link in the description below for that. Just grab those, very great quality. I'm definitely gonna post a video on that as well, in installation. So stay tuned, keep watching. Until then, peace out. Same thing for the Underglow. I'll put the link in the description.